you make of it. Totally what you make of it. The very first day when I came to direct them, each and every scene, I used to cry, I used to laugh, we used to absolutely put in your entire soul into it. Every bit of hard work you will put into your life will show fruit afterwards. Don't be scared of hard work. It might not show right now, tomorrow, day after, maybe after 15 years. I found this script after 10 years. Something I can be proud of. I was born on theatre at least 25 years ago. My daughter's 24 now. But today, yeah, I have two more children also, 5 and 8. The second marriage, all that happened. But what I'm saying is, after 15 years, I found a beautiful script to sink my teeth into. I'm saying life will always happen. What you want to make out of it, it will be that. Okay? Be positive and go for all the right things in life. Not for fame and not for money. But go for what you can make a change for. I think with this play, Giri, you know, mentor. So I was like, ये compliment था कि तू गाली दे रहा है. But he actually came and told, that was my biggest victory. The man who I'm living with for so many years actually had the guts to come and tell me that this is what I will always be proud of. And he's seen every single show after that. You can ask them. All I'm trying to say is I'm very happy to be here.
Thank you.
Very happy to be here. Very happy to be a part of the youngsters. It just puts a whole different adrenaline into our body. And we're very proud to perform with us. Subhashi, really, I
now request Subhashi to please come on the stage, and on behalf of District.
Our backbone, she's always there, Moisha. And Paritosh Pinkar, he's our producer, but he's not here right now. You have to go for yourselves.
Subhashi, a token of our appreciation for the wonderful performance.
Do what I think at Whistling Woods, which is celebrating its 10th year this time, it is one of the best day and best evening when we have such a bunch of beautiful ladies performing on the stage their wonderful play called Selfie. And I think the students have learned more than the play, the way Tanaz talked about the whole thing, and the way all these artists, from their heart they perform. I'm extremely happy. I cannot express my emotions for them. And I wish them all the best and good luck to all of you. And it has been a wonderful experience for me, for students, for faculty, for Drama Society, from Whistling Woods, all the way. I wish them
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
over to Tala.
For us, obviously, this was a golden opportunity because I think we've always performed in front of people, patrons who pay for a ticket and come. But this is the first time where we've come to show what we can actually do. And I can proudly say that maybe we were waiting really for this moment so that people can appreciate us in the true sense of the word. All the points that he has noticed that we've been performing from our heart, we put it together, meaningful material which happens in every woman's life. But we've put it in a nice way, we've encompassed it in a very nice jovial manner so that people can digest it. मतलब कड़वी दवाई हम लोगों ने कड़वी दवाई हम लोगों ने अच्छे से शक्कर वक्कर डाल के हम लोगों ने दी है. So that's what I wanted to always do. I wanted to make a change in whatever I want to do. So I think we've all succeeded in doing just that. Thank God.
Third directorial play.
Yes.
What do you like to say?
I'd like to say that this must be my best directorial chance play. Yes. Thank you so much for the
Tough part
script.
for a director or an actor.
Yes,
Which
it was
is the
very
tough
tough.
part?
Very tough. It was very, very tough. But thanks to the girls who understood that, I would go inside the team, I would direct, and then I would sit out, and my assistant would take inside, he would do my part, and I would see, and then I would cancel everything, and I'm like, ye nahi jal raha hai. Let's live the part. Ye sab fake lag raha hai. And they would say, "Arey baap re, again Tanaz has changed it." So I'm like, no, you got to live it. As soon as it's right, the penny will drop. So we were always enthusiastic every single day for a whole month. So it was like a Ferrari gaadi ki jaise, Start in the morning 0 to 100. No excuses.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.